We are going to explain the object reference in Java. An object variable in Java does not actually store that object. It only holds the memory location of an object. So if we declare a variable called box, it will refer to the memory location of the actual object rectangle. In the Java language, if we declare a new rectangle box, so the box refers to the address of the rectangle object. If we assign the box variable into box 2, and then we will have two variables point to the same object. But this is different for numbers. Why this is different in Java? You have to ask the designer of Java language. So numbers in Java are not treated as an object, and each variable actually stores a number. In this example, you have first declare a variable called lucky number is 13, and we assign lucky number to a different variable. It turns out both variables store a different number. Compared to the object, you see the difference. When we copy the first object to the second object, it turns out if we use the equal sign, it turns out both of them refer to the same object. Why does this matter? We can use the actual example to show what's the difference this can cause. In my case, I declare a box 1 called new rectangle at the position x equals 5, y equals 10, width 20, height 30. And then I assign box 1 to box 2. And then both variables refer to the same object. I can print out the box 1 and 2 to show that's the case. And then I'm going to move the second box to a different place using the mutator method translate. If I move the second variable, it turns out both variables will be moved because box 1 and box 2 refer to the same object. So basically the first box will also move. For the second example, we use the lucky number, which is not the actual object. We use a lucky number 13, first declare one, and then we declare lucky number 2 simply by assigning the first lucky number. We print out both 2, and then we change the second lucky number to 12, and this time we will see the first lucky number won't change. Let's compile this and run this. So here is my first box at position 510, width 20, height 30. My second box is exactly the same. In fact, box 1 and 2 refer to the same rectangle. Then I move the second box to a different location using the translate method. And then I print out both boxes again. It turns out first box and second box both moved to the position 20 and 35. The next example is the lucky number 1 and 2. They both start at 13, and then I change lucky number 2 to 12. And when print out again, the first lucky number doesn't change. And this is basically the design of Java language. We have just to remember it.